Assalamualaikum and hi, I am SUZANA binti Ahmad Razi, matric number F1064. Okay, now I am going to show you on how to create a database, create table and modify column such as add column, change data type, alter column name and drop column. And we are going to use Oracle for this. First of all, how to create a database. First thing first, we have to open Oracle. Click on Application Express. Enter your username and password. Okay, here, since we are going to create a new database, so we have to fill in this place, database username. Application Express username and password. You can just create any password for this as long as you remember the password. After you finish, click create workspace. Successfully created workspace Polytechnic. To begin, click here. Okay, and then click here. Enter your password again and click login. Okay, in this step you have to click SQL workshop and SQL commands. This is the place where we type the command. And next, right click on SQL workshop, open link in new tab. Okay, click on object browser. Okay, as you can see here, we got nothing. Here, this is the place where you check your table, your data, and so on. Okay, now we are going to create table student. Put your coding here and click run. As you can see, table created. Okay, go on object browser, refresh the page, and as you can see here, table student, and this is your table. Okay, next we are going to do the same things for table course, grade and unit. This is the coding to create table course. And this is the coding to create table grade. And lastly, this is the coding to create table unit. Okay, now we are done with creating table. This is table student. This is table course. This is table grade. And this is table unit. Okay, next we move on to insert all statement. Okay, now this, as you can see here, the coding is kind of long because I put all the data in one coding. This is student data, this is course data, grade data, and unit data using insert all statement. Okay, click run. Okay, 22 rows inserted. Okay, now we are going to check. Click on object browser, refresh the page. Okay, now we are going to check a student. Go to data, and yes, you can see here the data. Next, course. Okay, here. Next, grade. Okay, this is grade data. And lastly, unit. Okay. Okay, now we are going to add column, which is address in table student. Okay, this is the coding. Click on run and table altered. Let's see the student table. Okay, here yes, you can see address, the new column. Okay, Okay, next we are going to change data type, which is address column in the table student. Okay, this is the coding to change data type. Click on run and table altered. Let's see, object browser, click on refresh, click on student, and here as you can see, before this we use bar chart to 15, the scale is 15, now we change it to 30. Okay, next we are going to rename address column to stud address, which is in the table student. Okay, this is the column. Click run, table altered, and let's check it. Refresh the page, click student table, and yes, here it is, stud address. Okay, last but not least, we are going to drop column, which is stud address. They are placed in the table student. Okay, this is the column. This is the coding to drop column. Click run, table altered, and check on the table. Click on student table, and there is no stud address anymore. That's all from me, SUZANA binti Ahmad Razi, matric number F1064. Thank you.